Dictation number 136. Start. Now about the secretaries generally, there is one for each department and he wants joint secretaries, deputy secretaries and so on, full stop. There is a whole army of secretaries. I do not know how many we have got, full stop. It is very difficult to keep pace with the growth of the secretaries in our administration, full stop. When the British left, there were a few. Now there are too many, full stop. I am not at all suggesting that the number should not have increased, full stop. Our Prime Minister is quite right in saying that the administrative work has increased many times, 50 to 100 times, full stop. I do not know whether it is 50 to 100 times, full stop, but much of the work is not worth having, because if you assess the work properly, then you will find some of the useless things need not be there at all, full stop. However, I concede that point that we would require perhaps more ministerial servants in the various departments, more under secretaries, assistants, stenographers, clerks and so on, full stop. I concede that point, full stop. But are we not having too many secretaries, question mark. I know what work they are doing, full stop. Is there any proper check on that, question mark. Most of the work that goes in their name is actually done by people about whom we never discuss, whose merit we do not take into account, who are much maligned in the public administration of our country, the men in the lower rung of the ladder of this public administration, full stop. These assistants and others do a lot of work and it is a very good thing, full stop. We are a cultured people, we are a civilized people and we are a people with initiative, full stop. Now when they feel that they are the functionaries of the government of a free country, naturally they would like to put their very best and in fact they are doing so, full stop. Unfortunately, their efficiency is not given either due recognition or due incentive which is required in order to tone up the administration and improve the affairs in our public administration, full stop. We should reject this idea of administration by the secretaries, full stop. We have got a parliament, we have got a ministry which is supposed to be responsible to the parliament, full stop. However irresponsibly at times it may behave constitutionally, it is supposed to be responsible to parliament, full stop. And then we have got a big administrative setup of the government of India, full stop. There are people of efficiency, people who are not recognized, who nevertheless discharge their duties efficiently, full stop. We want to improve the pace of the administration, we want to democratize our administration, full stop. This is the crux of the problem, full stop. You cannot have initiative and efficiency until you have our administration democratized, full stop. There is bureaucracy, there is showlessness at every point in our administration, full stop. I do not know how many of you have talked to the secretaries of the various departments, full stop. I have talked to some of the secretaries, but sometime, full stop, I feel as if I were talking to the useless persons, full stop. One does not see any reaction on their face, full stop. I feel that it is a machine that I am talking to, full stop. It depresses me, and I am sure many other people also feel depressed, full stop. So all these secretaries of these departments have to be democratized, and they should be responsive to criticism and to the wishes of the public, full stop. It all depends on how you talk to the public, how you listen to them, what you gather from what the people say, full stop. Not that always they say the right things, but sometimes they say very good things, and such things should be properly gathered, full stop. This is not done, full stop. Therefore, what is of vital importance for us for improving the public administration in our country is to democratize the administration and do away with the bureaucratic cold boldness that exists in our public administration today, full stop. That is of vital importance, full stop. I stress it again and again because the crux of the problem lies there, full stop. Initiative has to be developed at the lower level by entrusting more responsibilities to the lower officials and by giving recognition to their services and also making it easy for them to work, full stop. Their conditions of service have to be improved, full stop. Their emoluments must be made adequate to make their life worth living, full stop. All these things are important for improving our public administration, full stop. As far as the public undertakings are concerned, I am totally opposed to the bureaucrats or representatives of the big money, big placed in positions of authority in public administration, full stop. There are people no matter to wishes, to matter and no matter to which politics they belong, who are efficient, who are devoted, and who can discharge their functions very ably in all walks of life, full stop. You can find people from among the common folk who could be placed in those positions, full stop. Sir, life insurance has been nationalized, full stop. What do we find there? Question mark. It is a public undertaking of great importance to the country, full stop. There you have got the same people. The old furniture is placed with some sort of rearrangement, full stop overall.